Welcome and in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover Evoque P250 R-Dynamic S with an eye-catching silicon silver exterior complementing the LED headlights. Also coming fitted with 19-inch silver alloy wheels as well as keyless entry. Heading over to the back of the Evoque now, just going to take a look at some more of that badging and then open up the tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. Stepping inside the Evoque now, just going to take a look at the electric window controls as well as the Meridian sound system. This Evoque also comes fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist and voice control. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as a 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive P250 Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the rear camera, navigation, Apple Carplay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Evoque now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.